Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining what matters. Pick project, document type, and owner as core fields. Create site columns in site settings so every library uses the same schema. Once done, choose appropriate column types, use choice for fixed lists, managed metadata for taxonomy, date for deadlines, because type drives behavior, filters, and search. Make sure to assign sensible default values where practical, and add concise descriptions so users know what to enter. This first step reduces chaos later. Next, add those site columns to relevant libraries or content types. This ties metadata to documents automatically. Once added, index frequently queried columns to speed up filtering and build custom views that combine filters and sort order for teams. Then map key metadata to search refiners and configure retention or label policies if needed. This improves discoverability and governance. Make sure to test with real files so you see how views, filters, and search behave together before rolling out broadly. To finish, train users with short examples and enforce required fields where appropriate so metadata quality stays high. Use Power Automate flows to auto-populate or correct metadata based on file properties or folders, which reduces manual work. Once deployed, monitor completeness and usage. If something breaks, reindex the library and confirm column internal names and content type bindings. These are common culprits. If reindexing doesn't help, check permissions and search schema mappings to resolve mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.